You might have noticed a significant spike in fashion sentiment with a score of plus 0.85, a notable deviation from our historical baseline. What's particularly intriguing is that despite this high sentiment, momentum has remained flat at plus 0.00. This suggests that while enthusiasm for fashion is peaking, the energy to drive that sentiment into actual sales or trends hasn't quite materialized yet. Our API provides you with a detailed overview of sentiment, including insights from 19 semantic clusters, helping you identify emerging trends and consumer sentiment shifts in real time. Imagine leveraging this data to fine-tune your inventory by aligning it with current consumer feelings, ensuring you're stocked with the right items at the right time. For more on how to integrate this into your workflow, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.